Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Debian 13 just dropped, and trust me, this isn't just another Linux update. It's a big deal. So Debian 13, codenamed Trixie, officially released on August 9, 2025 after 2 years of development. And when Debian takes their time, it usually means stability and reliability. One of the biggest highlights is RISC-V support. If you don't know, RISC-V is an open source hardware architecture. And why does this matter? Because it opens a door for processors that aren't controlled by just Intel or AMD, and that's a huge for the future of computing. It's also shipping with Linux kernel 6.12 LTS, which brings serious security upgrades, especially against ROP attacks, the kind hackers love to exploit, meaning your system just got a lot harder to break into. Now for the desktop side, Debian 13 brings updated environments like GNOME 48.2 and KDE 6.3. KDE 6 is in particular, it looks stunning. The animations are smooth, polished, and honestly, it feels like a modern desktop experience. And of course, Debian is still free and open source. But here's the catch. It's not exactly beginner friendly. Installing Debian often requires comfort with the command line. So if you're just browsing social media or checking email, Ubuntu might be the easier choice. But who's this really for? Server admins, developers, and power users who want rock solid stability and full control. The community is especially hyped about RISC-V support since it signals freedom from chipmaker monopolies. My verdict: Debian 13 Trixie is like a Formula One car. Powerful, engineered for performance, but you need to know how to drive it. Perfect for servers and serious computing, but casual users may want to wait for something more beginner friendly. We hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks!